Welcome back, everybody. Today is November 22nd, 2021, and in this video, I want to talk to you guys about what had happened for Atom, aka Cosmos. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about where it's at in the market, as well as where I think it might be going. But before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here and you don't know, when you subscribe to my channel, you're actually entering a giveaway where you could possibly win yourself a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subs. So do me a favor, do yourself a favor, do everybody a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be starting off on the 4-hour time frame, and as always, I'm still using Market Cipher as my primary oscillator and indicator tool. Now again, guys, like I said, it's just gonna be a follow-up video to the video I just made where I shared with you guys the super bullish signals that I was seeing on the daily time frame for Atom. I told you guys I was going to be taking a position, so I kind of just want to follow up with you guys and tell you guys how it's gone for myself, maybe for a few of you guys that were listening to what I was saying. Right now on the 4-hour time frame on Market Cipher B, you can see that we do have a trigger dot, which is this nice little green dot right here on Market Cipher B, which is going to be confirming, it looks like, in about an hour. So long as we can maintain ourselves right around $32, maybe even possibly $33 if we're lucky, I think we're actually going to get that confirmation and we might see further price increase on the charts for Atom. Again, you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, we actually flipped right now back into the green as far as money flow goes. I always try to tell you guys, I really love seeing curvature happen. When we get this kind of curvature on Market Cipher B and it starts flowing back up into the positive money flow, or back into the green on the charts, that's when I get super excited. Now, we just had that happen about 12 hours ago. We crossed back over into the green. You can see it being represented down here as well. That hopefully holds up and we start seeing us rally. If you guys can't see the charting that I have, this looks a little messy on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that we do have a new trend line to the upside. So far, it has been holding up. Now, I want to see this hold up going forward. We did manage to capture back that 50 EMA, which is this yellow line right here on the charts. I want to see it hold up though, guys. We also have a Fibonacci extension. If you guys can't see that right here, the Fibonacci extension golden pocket is right around here on the charts, and as to be expected, you can see that people have been taking profits, which is smart. I always try to tell you guys, as we see things go, you need to be taking profits as we're on that road to the upside, guys. It's smart to be realizing profits while profits are there to be realized. This is crypto. As you guys can see, things can get taken from you like that. So don't be a dummy. Realize profits when you can. Maybe not the whole thing. And again, this is not financial advice, but a subtle suggestion is it's always smart to take a little bit of profits as you're seeing them come to you guys. Don't be a dummy. Don't just hold the bags indefinitely and then see it fall to the ground. That sucks. We've all been there. Anybody that's been in the space has been there. And I can tell you right now, that sucks. So realize profits where profits are there. Not financial advice, just a subtle suggestion. As you guys can see, people are doing that with the Fibonacci extension. They're taking profits right here. We had a wick all the way up into the golden pocket. We had another wick just recently on this 4-hour candle, way above it actually. We recaptured really quickly above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, which is this white line right here. And then we wicked right back down. Again, momentum is with us, and that can be represented or shown here on Market Cipher B by this trigger dot. Hopefully we can keep it, guys. The RSIs as well are pointing back up, but they are a lagging indicator on the 4-hour time frame. Now, kind of just to touch base with you guys about what I was sharing with you guys in my previous video where I shared with you guys a super bullish sign for Cosmos on the daily time frame. What I was talking to you guys about right here on the charts was this anchor wave that was forming on the daily time frame when I made my last video. I told you guys I was getting super excited about what I was seeing for a number of reasons, to be honest with you. One, we were getting super deep. We actually got to the 78 on Market Cipher B. That is a super deep anchor wave. In fact, the last time we saw a really deep anchor wave like that was all the way back here during the pandemic when it actually hit us in the face. It blindsided us all. That's the last time we saw that happen. And that was back in March 2020 when the pandemic just came out and just sucker punched us in the face, and the whole entire market, not just the crypto market, but all the markets just basically tumbled really quickly. That sucked, but that was really the last time we got this deep on the charts for Atom, guys. And so I was looking at that going, right now, yes, we're still dealing with things with the pandemic, but we're not getting blindsided with anything kind of crazy right now. And we're getting this deep. So that's when I started getting really excited looking at that opportunity. Because again, you want to buy in the red, sell in the green. We're looking for those exciting opportunities when selling pressure looks to be exhausting itself. Now with Market Cipher B, not to go on a little bit of a tear, but I feel like I need to explain myself. Whenever you get below this 60 line right here that I illustrated to you guys, that's a good indicator or line to use to guess when selling pressure is exhausting itself. It could be represented to the upside as well. So it works both ways. When you're seeing price increases and it gets above this 60 line up here, again, just in the opposite form, that's a good place to start looking for buying pressure to also exhaust itself. But we were forming this anchor wave, getting way below that 60 line. Like I said, we got to a 78. And then what I noticed was we had this similar setup just like we just went through, right? We had a double green dot, which is a really good sign coming from Market Cipher of possible long entries. And then we got faked out. And then I went back and I tried to reference, when was the last time that happened to us where we got this deep of an anchor wave and then we had a double green dot with a fake out? When did that last happen? And I looked back and I looked back and I saw it right here. This was the only time it happened on the charts for the daily time frame, guys. We had this happen right here back in November 2020, where we had a double green dot, we had a deep anchor, then we got faked out with this red dot right here, and then we got a snake eyes. We had the snake eyes form right here because it looks like snake eyes on the charts. We had another pair of double green dots happen, and you guys see what happened when this actually confirmed. We saw price go up about 50% on the charts. So again, guys, I'm not greedy. I'll take a 50% increase all day, every day. I know a lot of people are looking for those super mega bangers, but guys, anything above 20% is a super mega banger on any position. You guys should be happy with that all day long. So I was willing to risk it for the biscuit. I told you guys I was going to be taking a position if this confirmed. Lo and behold, it did. And when it did, guys, we actually saw ourselves touch this 200 EMA on the daily time frame, and it wicked us all the way up. Actually, I tell you guys not to do this, but I'll be very honest with you guys. I did front run it a little bit because sometimes, like I said, you got to risk it for the biscuit. Even though I tell you guys, don't front run things, let the market tell you what it wants to do. To me, what I was seeing, the market was telling me clear signs of what it was going to do or wanted to do. So I kind of went ahead and risked it a little bit more than I used. Risked it. I can't speak today, but I put in a position right about here. Didn't get all the way down to the 200 EMA like we did on this candle, but I put it in right on the bottom of this candle. And ever since then, guys, I'm still up. I'm still in my position. I'm up 22%. We actually got up at one point, I think about 30%. It's on this candle, actually. We got up, yeah, oh, well, 28%. We got close to 30%. But I'm still in my position. I've been realizing profits on the way up. And again, guys, hopefully you guys saw what I was talking about. You guys realized what I was talking about. And you guys have been doing the same because things look really good right now for Atom, guys. I've told you guys why you guys should be super bullish in the months to come for Cosmos, aka Atom. We have multiple reasons. Again, we have superfluid staking coming out soon. We have shared security coming out, which is going to change the whole functionality of the Atom token. It's going to be a game changer for the entire Cosmos ecosystem in its entirety, guys. When shared security comes out, mark my words, that's going to be a banger. And it's said to come out before this year ends, guys. So it should be happening within the next month. Think about it. Think about it. The whole utility, which is the biggest gripe from people talking about Atom, is going to be flipped. And now it's going to have a humongous use case. So think about that, guys. And then we have the ETH bridge as well as the BTC bridge happening here soon. Evmos is going to be completed soon. And again, when those two ecosystems are able to actually communicate with each other and interact with each other, those humongous ecosystems that have massive TVLs, if you guys don't know what TVLs are, total value locks, are going to be bringing in equity to either side, guys. So that's going to be humongous. So again, guys, really big reasons on why you should be super bullish for Cosmos going forward. And then we have the immediate short-term reasons why you should be super bullish. Again, going back to the 4-hour time frame, we should be having this confirmed here shortly, guys. I do think that if time and momentum stays on our side, we might be even able to capture $34 by the end of the day. We need to see things rally here shortly. Again, I want to let you guys know that this week, in the later part of this week on Friday, we do have a really big options expiry happening. Again, guys, be ready. Option bears are out there and they're going to do their best to do their thing. So it might be very, very volatile. But right now, guys, I'm a big fundamental person when I'm looking at Atom. I'm a big believer. I can't speak again. I apologize. But yeah, I'm super, super bullish. I've been realizing profits, especially on this recent trade. Definitely do the same. Not financial advice, just a subtle suggestion. But again, guys, always know things can be taken from you. So it's good practice to always realize profits. But again, guys, hopefully this is beneficial. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are subscribing and liking the video. Again, you guys could win a 50-inch flat screen TV and or an MSI 2060 GPU once we hit 1,000 subs. So tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell your brother, tell your mother, tell anybody in your household, because the more subs you get, of course, the better, more supportive person you are, but the better chance you have to win either one of those prizes, guys. And I would wholeheartedly appreciate you and love you long time. So again, guys, don't forget to do that. Watch the videos each and every day because I make Cosmos related content pretty much every single day. Be well, be blessed. Peace.